Hello everyone, I'm Amit Danayat, Chief Editor and Founder of ANA Digest. Welcome to the 10th episode of the series ANA Digest Mighty Minds. In this episode titled Eves in Design, we have with us 10 women architects and interior designers who are best friends with each other. These 10 women exhibit an indomitable spirit as they reply confidently to the questions asked to them in this episode. They candidly share their experiences, their thoughts, and views from the perspective of women in the design profession. Watching this film may help not only women designers but women in any profession to relate with their own journeys in their chosen careers. In today's episode, we have with us interior designers Sanam Dhumar, Jagruti Kothavde, Jyoti Deshmukh, Shraddha Shah, Leena Rajan, Yogita Oswal, Shalaka A, and Renu Lohade, and architects Rashmi Naik and Mugdha Shah. Happy viewing. Thank you so much, friends. You all are friends, and thanks for sportingly coming on ANA Digest Mighty Minds. The first question will start with Sanam. Sanam, why did you choose this profession? What attracted you towards interior design? What motivates you to design?
Um, Firstly, when I was just completed my SSC, I just could see all the professions around me, like being somebody being doctor, somebody being my brother is my CA. So I had already decided I won't be studying so much. So by fluke, just not to study. So I took it. Frankly, I'm telling you, that's the reason I entered this interior designing. So I thought I'll just do TP. I'll go to my colleges. I have some bahana to get out of the house. But then when I entered this profession, I really started performing really well, because at that point I got to know this is I'm creative and this is the right profession I have selected for me. And what motivates me is when I do some designing and when I can see it happening, I feel like for CAs, it's like for other profession, they cannot see what they've done. So for us, for interior designing, is like you make a chair, you make this living room look how differently, and then you can see your work. So I think that really motivates me. I can do much better the very next time I get the projects. I think that really motivates me.
Wonderfully spoken. Thanks for being candid. So you didn't think you were a born designer. You came in this profession by chance, but then you owned
Yes.
it. Rashmi, the same question. What attracted you towards this profession? Why did you choose this profession? What motivates you to design?
Actually, it's a very long back, but when I finished my 12th, I was a good student, and my mom wanted me to be a doctor. My uncle is a doctor, my father is a lawyer, but I was a good artist also at that time. So my father was always there. Ki, if you want to be an artist, you can be. So I had actually taken art admission for commercial artist. At that time, interior designing ऐसा कोई फील्ड ही नहीं था एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, और मे बी आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग अबाउट इट. सो वन डे आई सॉ वन एड in the newspaper, which was from our college, which is Mr. Pratap Jadhav. He was the HOD over there. And the moment
SKV, is it?
SKV, it was the second batch. The first batch was going on. There were hardly 12 kids, and it was a very different kind of atmosphere. And when we spoke to Jadhav sir, you don't have to go anywhere else. He's the best person to. So I got attracted towards whatever he was telling me, and at the same time, it was related to my father's profession. My father was in the building construction line, so it would have helped. So I took this profession.
Okay. Shraddha, same question to you.
Actually, it's the same. My father is a doctor. My brother is a doctor. So everywhere it was like medicine faculty everywhere. But then I chosen this as something creative. That's how. And after marriage, my husband is also an architect. So then I thought I should go in for landscaping, which would be a complementary thing with architecture and interiors. So I chosen landscape, and that time I have not thought कि इतना मुझे ये आगे लेके जाएगा इंटरेस्टिंग वगैरह. बट देन व्हेन आई सी ग्रीन्स I feel, yeah, something life I'm creating for the dead thing, you know. Architecture and interiors, when you add an element of landscape, it gives life. So that's how I'm happy with my profession.
Wonderful. So, from a doctor family, but you fulfill the dreams of people. Yeah, great. Jyoti, the same question to you.
Basically, from childhood, I love to do creative things like make a picture frames from near about fifth, sixth. So I like colors. I like mix new things with the pottery and all that. So I think वही मुझे आगे ये इस field में लेके गया. So I did my graduation and then I decided to go for the interiors.
Mugdha?
Well, I have the funny one. Actually, I chose to be a doctor first when I completed my 12th. And after that, my mom was like, "You are not good at books." I always read books and I sleep. I read books and I sleep. So mom was like, "Don't do the doctor and all everything." So she took me for the aptitude test. And actually architecture chose me and I chose architecture. That was happened with me. Always every time I given 4 aptitude tests and every time first was the architecture. So I chose architecture and architecture chose me. And if you ask me like what motivates me, actually nature already created many things and it's my time now to create something beautiful as compared to nature.
Oh,
So
that's
how I
profound.
think.
Wonderful, Mugdha. Renu?
My father is lawyer by profession, but when I used to see him like इतना किचर पिचर fighting and then ये problem वो problem
All
ऐसा
lawyers are watching this film. Huh?
तो आई डिसाइडेड कि मुझे स्केचेस में इंटरेस्ट था स्कूलिंग से ही आई हैव लाइक दैट थॉट कि आई विल बी लाइक टेकिंग दिस फील्ड ओनली मुझे करना है तो डिज़ाइनिंग में ही जाना बट आई वॉज नॉट वेरी श्योर कि आई विल बी डूइंग इंटीरियर और आर्किटेक्चर आई ऑलवेज प्रिफर डूइंग फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग and then I gave my exams and I even gave exams here at MMCC and I cracked that exam. I was the topper. I was the amongst fifth. So then I thought ki I will be quitting the fashion designing and going as an interior work.
Nice. Lina, the same question to you.
So yes, since childhood only, I was into making different things. Like I used to collect all those junky things, like river stones or anything like which I used to come across, and my parents used to be very tired of all my those things. But it was there, and the love for the art was also there, and I had decided it was pre-decided that I will do something which is related to art, but not interiors. But then afterwards I found that interiors field is quite an interesting thing which will is complementary to my this passion. And motivation is seeing the faces of the people for whom we create the space. Those happy faces really keep on motivating one after the other, definitely. So it gives you the containment satisfaction, definitely.
So you get to see happy faces.
Yeah, I do. Yes.
Yeah. Jagruti?
Yeah, actually, interior requires multitask, multi skills, right? You have to handle multi agencies. Then you have to think innovative ideas and creations. And after when you finish the projects, then the happy faces, clients' happy faces. That I want to do. Actually, my father is also an advocate, and since childhood I have observed there is no feeling, there is no creation, just इसको ठोकना है, ये करना है तो ये करना है. But I observed कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना है कि I handle all those things, and this is my passion, and that passion I choose as my career. So that's why I choose my interior design.
You can just hold the mic nearer your.
पहले से ऐसे था कि बचपन से मैं ड्राइंग में काफ़ी कुछ करती थी एंड मेरे पापा की इच्छा थी कि मैं सीए करूं, जो मेरी बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं कि मैं सीए करूं, क्योंकि वो बुक्स देख के मैं डर जाती थी कि मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. और मेरी फ्रेंड थी, चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड थी, जो इंटीरियर कर रही थी, तो उसके सारे शीट्स वगैरह जो कलरिंग वगैरह करना रहता है वो मैं कंप्लीट करती थी. तो मेरे 12th के एग्ज़ाम्स छोड़ के मैं उसका करती थी. तो ऐसे हो गया था कि यार मुझे कुछ तो आगे फील्ड चूज करना था, लेकिन मुझे सीए नहीं करना था। तो मैंने सोचा कि लेट इट बी, अगर कुछ तो करना ही है तो ये कर लेते हैं। तो ये समझ के मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया था कि नहीं, मैंने पापा को बोला कि नहीं, मैं सीए नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मुझे इंटीरियर ही करना है। और मैंने काफ़ी फॉर्मली बोला था। पापा बोले चलो तुझे भी मैं एक चांस दे के दिखता हूँ, तू क्या परफॉर्म करती है। एंड जब मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर का जब परफॉर्मेंस दिखा तो पापा बोले चलो ठीक है, आपने किया है तो काफ़ी अच्छा किया है, तो इसमें आगे कर लो। तो
Is he happy now?
या और बहुत अगर मैं सीए करती थी माइट भी ये परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाती थी, पर अभी इंटीरियर में आई हूँ तो काफ़ी अच्छे लेवल पे परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश भी कर रही हूँ।
Great, that's great news. Shalaka, the same question.
Mine is little different one. I'm actually beautician by profession. Unfortunately, I couldn't worked out with that profession. Then I started working with Whirlpool of India. I worked with Whirlpool of India for 9 and odd years. And after that, I decided to come into interiors. So it was too late actually, but I always wanted to do something creative, and I wanted to give time to my kid also, because my son was almost 5 years that time. Then I decided to do my interior course. So after that, I'm into the field now. But I'm really happy that I'm doing something creative now. What I always wanted to do, but I couldn't that time. But now it's.
So, friends, some have come from a doctor's family, some have come from a lawyer's family, some from a variety of professional families, and now you all have got your calling. So, congratulations to all of you. The next question goes to Jagruti. Jagruti, do you remember your first project? The emotions, the anxiety, the mistakes, the learnings, the nervousness?
First project is first love, like that. Lot of actually when I was taking my first project, there is lot of question in my mind. और ये मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स गोइंग टू बी सक्सेसफुल और नॉट. सो लॉट ऑफ इफ एंड बट एंड what ifs question hammering on my mind, but then I decided just do it from bottom of my heart. मैंने उसके बाद जो जर्नी स्टार्ट, still I am very successful. So
What was that project?
This is residential 2 BHK project.
It was a 2 BHK
It was
residence.
2 BHK.
Any mistake you made?
Yes, I made one mistake. फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था तो पहला पैर जैसा कि जस्ट मैं करती गई और वो थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो गया बजट. तो जब बजट की बारी आई तो मैंने उनको बोला कितना हुआ है, तो दे सेड कि ये आपने मेंशन नहीं किया है एस्टिमेट में. सो दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड ओ, और वो दे वाज नॉट एग्री टू पे मी. सो दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज कि I had to mention there कि as per design cost varies 10 to 20%, and that time I always mention in bold letters कि as per designs cost varies and taxes will be extra. That is my biggest learning.
Very candidly shared. Rashmi, the same question goes to you. Do you remember your first project, the emotions, mistakes, learnings, nervousness?
Yeah, it's a long backstory, but still I remember because it was my own residence, like my father's house. At that time, I think I was in second year, and I was working part time with SN Singh sir. So it was really very. For me, I have been always lucky that I was working earlier. I was working with Shobha Patkar. Means maybe I was not knowing anything what I'm doing in first year, but from first year only we had started working with someone just for the practical knowledge of it. So in the second year when I was working with SN Singh, at the same time I was doing my own project. So I told my dad, actually my father was a builder and we were constructing our own house. Earlier it was a complete commercial plan which we converted into residential. But since I was working with Singh sir, I don't think so there was any major issue with like any major mistake which I made. But that project is always very near to me because there is nothing, but still that place speaks every day, and that design is never what do you say, old. The way Singh serves, all the designs are always young. Like if you enter that house after 30 year also, you feel like it's been done yesterday. The same things I tried to implement in my father's house. So I'm happy with it. And everybody who visits our house, they also are always happy. Ki how come it's actually in a very crowded place, but once you enter the place, you don't feel that you are in Appabal and Chowk. That's the beauty of it.
Great. So your learning was from Singh sir.
Yeah.
Great man. We all always remember him for his timeless designs.
Yeah, so he was the like father figure for me.
Okay. Lina, do you remember your first project?
Yeah, I pretty much remember the first project. It was a residence 3 BHK situated in Mundwa, and that was a kind of joint family involved. Owner of that residence, and I remember the emotions behind it is involvement. Like as in your first project, of course, the involvement is like more than anything in this world. And I remember like how we had been taught in our college days, whenever you are doing a project, there used to be a portfolio, all the sheets, electrical layouts, those tracing papers. And actually I had done a portfolio of that side with inking and watercoloring and everything, and it is still with me. So that client was pretty much happy whenever we still meet sometimes, and the home also is like that how it was then. Now it's been some 15 years plus.
Any mistake you remember?
Mistake was not in the design part, rather it was by that time because of household issue, or I think, yeah, it was the initial pregnancy days of mine. So I had requested one of my designer friends to look into it in the crucial finishing stages of the project, and again I did not mention it in in return with the things involved when it is a kind of little partnership, you say, or maybe like that. So he took it casually कि इनका दोस्ती है, तो it comes in that. So but whether but I had of course pay him his supervisions or anything like that, and little part he was also involved, and he is a well-known designer today. So he also remembers that. So that was the experience.
What was your learning? What did you learn from this throughout your career?
You have to be very profound in your documentation as well. It's like sometimes we run behind the passion of ours, and all the enjoyment behind the designing stuff and all that. But definitely at the same time it has to be very particular, like a profession. Initially you're not.
So you saw that early on, the young designers who are watching this, please be careful, be particular about your documents. Passion is one thing, but this is a profession also. And also remember, mention that the budget can be extended by 10 to 20% and taxes extra, right? So this is what we are learning from this round. Yeah, Yogita?
Of course, first project था तो उसको तो भूल नहीं सकते हैं. काफ़ी साल, ऑलमोस्ट 10-12 साल, 10-12 नहीं, 15 साल पहले की बात है जब ये फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट मैंने किया था. एंड उस टाइम पे क्लाइंट ने भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया था.
What was the project? Was it residential or commercial?
रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट था, 1 BHK था. एंड वो स्टार्टिंग में ही मुझे पूरा सिविल से लेके पूरा आया था. तो सिविल में एक दो मिस्टेक्स हो गए थे, बट वो हैंडल हो गए उस टाइम पे. एंड बाकी टाइम पे क्लाइंट ने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया था मेरे फर्स्ट, क्योंकि क्लाइंट को पता था कि फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है तो माइट भी मिस्टेक्स होने वाली है, तो क्लाइंट सपोर्टिव था तो इतने इश्यूज नहीं आए थे.
But did you learn anything from that project? Any mistake which you never did again?
Yes. सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक मैंने ये की थी कि टीवी के जो वायर्स थे वो सारे दिख रहे थे. एंड क्लाइंट का फर्स्ट क्लाइंट ने पहले ही बोला था कि मुझे बाकी कहीं पे भी मिस्टेक चलेगी लेकिन वहाँ पे मिस्टेक नहीं चलेगी, और वो मैं भूल गई थी कि यार वो वायर्स नहीं दिखने चाहिए थे, और एंड में वो वायर्स दिख रहे थे. तो वो सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक मेरे से हो गई.
But did you get paid for the project then?
Yes.
Okay. Mugdha?
Yeah, I do remember it was a commercial office space and it was beautifully done now. But while doing it, actually there was mistake. Actually, there were mistakes because when you visualize in 3D, you are doing 3D layouts. You imagine that there is a big space, you can give here anything, you can give there something, and when you actually visit the place you feel like, oh, there is no space that much, you know. And the partition layouts were changed, and from that mistakes contractors were very nice. They told me like, दीदी कोई बात नहीं, आपका फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है, इतनी सी बात है, हो जाएगा, इतना घबराओ मत, ये वो इलेक्ट्रिकल लेआउट पार्टीशन चेंज, सो द लाइट positions also changed. So he was like, कुछ बात नहीं, घबराओ मत, हम करेंगे, क्लाइंट को पता नहीं चलेगा, आप मेरे साथ बैठ के हम करेंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, होगा. But that was beautifully done now.
Jyoti?
Actually, my first project is a beautiful memory for me. Mr. Jayant Sawant करके है, जो by profession he is a lawyer and family friends also. My first project is 4 BHK flat in the model colony. एंड जस्ट मैं एम्बियंस आर्किटेक्ट है, एम्बियंस आर्किटेक्ट्स में जस्ट जॉब कर रही थी, जॉब प्रैक्टिस बोथ. सो उन्होंने ऑफ़र किया मुझे. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू द हाउ टू हैंडल द एजेंसीज एवरीथिंग. सो उन्होंने बोला, आप डोंट वरी, कारपेंटर मेरा है, ये मेरा है, POP वाला मेरा है, आप सिर्फ करो. सो वहाँ पे एकदम फ्री था, कुछ भी करना है, कैसे भी करना है, जो मटेरियल यूज़ करना है करो. सो दैट वाज सो नाइस. मुझे लगा ये फील्ड ऐसी ही है. सो हैप्पी. वो जो हैप्पीनेस मिला ना, उसमें मुझे कितना पेमेंट मिला, क्या फीस मिली, मुझे याद भी नहीं है. बट जो मैंने किया वो इतना अच्छा था सब कुछ. मीन्स वो जो प्रोसेस थी क्लाइंट के साथ, वो खुद कार भेजते थे लेके जाना, सिलेक्शन वगैरह, बस कि अरे इतना अच्छा है ये सब कुछ. But not like that actually. But that was beautiful.
Isn't she lucky?
Yeah.
Friends?
Actually, I
Your
feel-
first client gives you a 4 BHK.
Yes.
So that's
In
your
the
first
model colony.
in model colony.
Give the free hand.
Yeah. और उनके लिए गाड़ी भेजते थे.
Yes, yes.
And free hand.
Yes.
अच्छा, तो फिर मिस्टेक्स बाद में होने लगे. लर्निंग्स तो
मिस्टेक्स एक हुआ जो स्पेसिफिकली उन्होंने खुद होके चाहिए था. उनका हॉल किचन डाइनिंग ओपन में था और उनको डाइनिंग स्पेस रेज पोर्शन चाहिए था. मैं बोल रही थी कि मत करो ऐसे हॉल में आप, बट मैं उतना कन्विंस नहीं कर पाई जितना अभी मैं बोल सकती हूँ. मैं नहीं, ये ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसा ही होगा.
तो अभी डरते हैं क्लाइंट्स आपसे.
या प्रोफेशन है, नॉलेज है, तो उतना थोड़ा सुनना चाहिए. बट तब मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाई. तो बट उनको बाद में वो रियलाइज हुआ उनको खुद को कि ये गलत हुआ करके. बट स्टिल
You all believe that a designer should be firm in terms of, you know?
अदरवाइज वी हैव वेरी हेडेक हो जाता है उसके बाद का, जो उनके जो ये फाइनल डिसीजन पे लाना सब बहुत हेडेक हो जाता है.
Correct.
But Amit, that comes gradually. First
Yeah,
two
actually,
projects, I
yeah.
don't think so it can happen. But when we get the confidence, we know
Yes,
कि we can
yes.
act confidently in front of the client, and they'll listen to it confidently. Otherwise, it is like
After
very
so many
difficult.
years of the
Yeah.
experience.
So communication skills are also important. Interpersonal skills कि husband को भी convince करना है, wife को, grandmother को, बच्चों को, everyone. Yeah. Shalaka? Absolutely. Shalaka.
When I started with my first project, that client called me and said कि हमारा 2 BHK का फ्लैट है, नया दिया है, and that has to be designed. I said okay, so I'll charge so much of amount to take the measurements and to do the basic layout. I'll give you 3 options. He was shouting at me like anything. How you can charge me so much and this thing कि layout के लिए आप कैसे charge कर सकते? I said okay, I'm charging this much. If you want to pay, I'll come to your place, I'll take the measurements and work it out. He said, I don't want to work with you. He said okay. After a month or so, again he called up. I said, I want to work with you. Believe me, that whole family took me for the dinner. Then there only they gave me the advance and the project started. In that same project, I had made one mistake which I today also I feel that shouldn't be there. It was client's need actually, that we don't want to keep any space for the washing machine, and I listened to them, and I वो निकाल दिया washing machine का space. So today also I feel कि that should be there. So that's the only mistake I did in the project.
So what did you learn from this for your career?
When your mind says कि नहीं ये होना चाहिए तो वो होना ही चाहिए, then you have to convince to your clients कि नहीं, if you are not if you don't need it today, but in future definitely you will.
Absolutely. Sanam?
Yes, of course, I remember my first project. As Jagruti said, it's your first love. So my first project was not in Pune, it was in Hyderabad. So for me, I was very excited and a little nervous, because if you're staying in your territory, it's very easy for you to handle. So the work was done really very fast and they were really very happy. I have done many mistakes, and I think still today also I do a lot of mistakes, because every project and every client is different. But of course, I try not to repeat the mistake. I learn from my mistakes. So there in Hyderabad, the major mistake which I did was I agreed to their terms, where he told me that his engineer, he'll appoint his one engineer on the site for the daily basis, and carpenter and painter will be from their side. So I think I could not achieve the finishing, because if the execution team is from my end, he knows what I want. If the carpenter is mine, he knows what kind of finishing madam will need it. So for me, I had to actually shift myself for 4 months there. I was staying there, and those executions from Hyderabad team was really, they were really not focused on their work. So I learned that wherever I have to do my work, my first condition to all my clients is get the material wherever you want from, but all the specification I'll give you. My carpenter will check the material, and all that team mostly will be mine, because the carpenter, painter and the civil guy does your finishing. So I believe now I put entire agency of mine. I don't even compromise my electrician, plumber, nothing. So I'm telling you, I've learned many things. The one major thing what I learned is this, that now I boldly tell my clients that no, I will not. ये कम rate में करता है, but the work which they do is not of the quality which we want. For your interiors, I believe, rather than aesthetic, your quality should speak, because a lot of people don't renovate their house every 10 years, every 5 years. So it should actually sustain. So I think I learned that.
But you believe that new designers who are just started, who have started their career, should still have the guts or the gumption to tell the clients that no, I will bring my agencies, please. So that should.
Yeah, of course, that's what I say. That the very first project only you should, But that, as Shraddha mentioned, that everything comes with the experience with you. Like even when I was doing the second set in Pune, I thought, नहीं चलो, if वो convince कर रहा है, इसका painter अच्छा है, तो कर लेते हैं, because I could not firmly say it कि नहीं मुझे चाहिए. Now the things have changed. After third, fourth site, everything changes. You learn. Like as she mentioned that, the first project only I had a loss of 12 lakh rupees. So that was a very big amount. But I'm telling you that I learned. I am not someone who can give up, but I'm learning. कि मुझे क्या-क्या clauses डालने चाहिए, So all these things I'm learning from my mistakes.
So your brother, who's a chartered accountant, I believe, he must have fried your brains
he
for
told
losing.
me, you are not made for all these things, don't do it. But then I think I proved him wrong, and he was very happy for it.
Wonderful. Yes, Rashmi.
Earlier, for the kids actually who are just passed out and who will be starting their practice, they don't have their own teams. But if you're designing, only designing, like if you're working as a consultant, then I think yes, you should be firm, but you can just check out अगर उनके पास उनके carpenters है, painters है, उनका काम देख के अगर if their work is up to the satisfaction, you can always try that, because you also have to be very much flexible. At the same time, after doing so many years का practice, you need to have so many teams. You cannot rely on only one team. So और वो भी होना चाहिए कि client के साथ ठीक है आपके you have to be firm also. I agree with it. Otherwise, what happens कि the client is only designer and we are contractors. So वो भी होता है. But at the same time, you have to be flexible also. If the painter is not good, you can tell them. If they don't listen, let them pay for it. They have to do it again.
Very,
So
very,
they-
yeah.
So they learn from their own pocket expenses.
Very important input, Rashmi. I'm sure this will go a long way to help the youngsters. Renu?
Yes, I remember my first project soon after when I joined Vishal sir. 6 months I got a break in Kopargaon only. I did 2 bungalows, twin bungalows, and there I didn't had much idea because initially when you join some किसी का आप ऑफिस जब ज्वाइन करते हो तो पहले 6 months आपको समझता ही नहीं है कि आपको सेक्शंस कैसे बनाने हैं, पीओपी का सेक्शन कैसे बनाना है. कॉलेज में तो सिखाते हैं लेकिन वो एक प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज हम लोग को वो टाइम तक नहीं मिलता है जो कॉलेज में. तो वी जस्ट लर्न द बुकिश थिंग टाइप ऑफ. एंड व्हेन आई डिड दोस 2 बंगलोज मैंने क्लाइंट का बजट डबल कर दिया उस टाइम पे कि ही वाज लाइक एट द एंड पेमेंट करते करते उसने 3 साल लगा दिया लोगों के पेमेंट देते देते कि वो मैडम ने मेरा बजट बढ़ा दिया. मैंने बोला था लैमिनेट यूज करना पर मैडम ने मेरे को बोला कि नहीं सब जगह वीनियर ही यूज करना है बिकॉज आई वॉज इन दैट जोन कि नहीं वीनियर ही बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वीनियर ही करना है सर आपको. एनी हाउ आई कन्विंस्ड हिम कि ही वॉज लाइक कि ठीक है वीनियर करते. एंड दिस आई फील दिस वॉज माई मिस्टेक दैट आई शुड नॉट हैव डन कि यू शुड सी द क्लाइंट कि उनका बजट कितना है. यू शुड बैलेंस बोथ द थिंग्स, हिज बजट एज वेल एज हिज needs, means what he is expecting from you, and this is what.
Well said, Renu. So do you follow that in all your projects after that? Shraddha?
Yeah, my first project was given to me by my dad. Being a doctor, he had a diagnostic center with other 10 doctors, different doctors, and I just passed out from architecture. I had got that degree of BR, so my dad was very happy with it, and he was like, "This is the project that we are coming up, and I've told my friends that I'm going to give it to my daughter, whatsoever it happens, however it happens, but I'm going to try." So I started with the project, but since I'd done architecture, I had no base of interiors. So then I insisted my friend who had done an interior designer course, and then we did that project. And it was a small diagnostic center, and it was a small thing, but it had very good experience since it was first time. And then I had to prove that my dad had given the word कि my daughter is going to do it. So I had to give my best. So we did it, and after 10 years also, after when I go there, they say, yeah, you had done a good job. which was not my actually cup of tea. Being interior architect, I had no clue of interior designer, but yeah, my friend was there, so I did. And we were paid actually 25,000 15 years back, which was a large amount for a small job. So
Great memory. Yeah. Yeah, the next question I'll ask Leena. Do you become uneasy if you are not comfortable with a particular client, though the project may be good, the project is pivotal for your career, but you're not comfortable with the client for whatever reason? It happens, right? Or maybe you're not happy, you're uneasy with the type of project. So do you refuse at such times, or you tell yourself that you're a professional and I will anyways have to do it?
As far as a project is uneasy, I don't think so that it happens with me, because any project is always a learning process, and I am always on a learning mode. Of course, everybody is. So I do not think so that any situation comes in the future also. By far, I also have not faced that the project is uneasy, because always every project is a kind of different work to do, job to do. So it will be always good to work on any project. By far, if the client, I'm uneasy with some client, is considered, I think again it is on the I feel that the work matters more than what the personal viewpoint of yours towards the client is. So I think in both cases, I'll always prefer to work definitely. As far as my patients, are supporting me, I do not think so that it will be so. Because
Does the like sometimes the difference in the gender kicks in? Ki by discomfort I also mean if you're not comfortable in many ways with the client, so that also may happen. So, but till now you've not experienced something.
I have
like
not actually experienced such thing because most of the times, like if it comes to residential part, the family is always involved in the project most of the times. And in some commercial parts, if, even if the gender factor, if you talk about, even if some family person is not involved, it all depends on how you handle it, how you tackle the situations. I believe in this more. So it's
Oh,
okay.
nice.
It's fine.
Thank you, Lina. Jyoti.
कंफर्ट एक्चुअली कंफर्ट क्लाइंट के साथ जब फर्स्ट मीटिंग होती है तभी अभी तो क्लियरली समझ में आता है कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ हिज थिंकिंग, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वर्क ही वांट्स टू डू विद अस. और अगर कुछ अनईजी होता है, लगता है, तो मैं क्लियरली आई रिफ्यूज टू वर्क विद, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि जब इंटीरियर्स करते हैं हम तो इतने सारी एजेंसीज रहती, इतने सारे जगह पे जाना होता है क्लाइंट के साथ, सिलेक्शन होता है, और अगर वो थॉट प्रोसेस माइंड में रह के हम अगर कहीं पे जाते हैं तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं 100% दे पाऊंगी. सो आई स्टॉप देयर.
Okay, so that time money doesn't matter, or a
Yes.
professional feeling that I'm a professional and I should absorb all kinds of
No, I
things. That
don't
doesn't matter. This is your
Yes,
this thing. Sanam.
I totally agree with Jyoti. This has happened with me. So I have actually left working and I just told him I'm really not comfortable working with you and thank you. I have not even asked him मुझे पैसे दे दो, मैंने काम किया है, and I think being female you have to go through, but coming to this stage today they won't do it. But yes, when we were in initial days, when they know that she's doing alone, then they'll call you, to the end of the site where there's nobody working. So this has happened to me and I make sure till today also that none of my female ladies also don't go alone on site, because of the experience what I have, I always tell them at least take the driver or the office boy when you're going. Alone nobody is allowed. Maybe initially they used to feel कि ये क्या restrictions है, but I know what I have faced, and then tomorrow I don't want to take any responsibility of, I don't want to be answerable to something which I can protect before.
But this is outrageous. Such things. Do you think because of this recent Me Too movement, even in our field, this will affect and somewhere things will improve?
Why not? I think girls should go bold and do it.
Yeah.
I'm frankly telling you, because being a girl wherever you work, you be a doctor, you be an interior designer, you be an architect. This, I think, you are going to face this problem.
Experience is recently, not too long. One client is calling me. मैंने आपके फेसबुक के फोटोज देखे, आपका वर्क देखा, ये देखा सब कुछ. So I have to work with you, and yes sir, anytime I will take a meeting at my office. My office is this Bhandarkar Road. Come there. No, can we meet at that Marriott for a cup of coffee? Sorry sir, I do my meetings office only. So उसके बाद बंद. So that is what.
So if he really wanted to work, he would have come down to you.
After 6 months, 1 year, we have these experiences. Most of things without कि क्या मीन्स करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, ये बड़ी साइट जा रही है, फील होता है, सब कुछ होता है, बट वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ फर्स्ट एंड देन वर्क कम्स नेक्स्ट.
Shraddha.
Same thing. Actually, it all matters for yourself. It is not money, it's not status, it's nothing great than you. First thing, these criterias are fixed for, I think, everybody. And then you should shortlist.
But you also think that this Me Too movement has at least curbed, know, it's so
in
sad
every
that
field. It's not just interiors and architecture, but in every field, the female has to get her own dignity and everything.
True.
That comes first.
Absolutely. Mugdha.
Actually, I just started recently by myself, so I don't have that experience. But what everyone is saying, that I will keep this in my mind always, that I myself first, and then the work will come later. Even if it's big project or I'm getting any experience from that, but I don't want it to be uneasy for myself.
But all these years you are associated with a big studio.
Yeah.
So even in that experience you were quite.
Yeah, actually, when when I was working as a senior architect, when client comes and sit beside you, and he refused to sit in the conference rooms, and then you feel like some uneasiness. So I just refuse to talk with that clients also. So that happens with females most of the time, but yeah, you choose yourself first.
Yeah.
Then I don't explain the project. I just walk out of that. Yeah.
Yeah. Growing up with two sisters and being very close to my mom and having three daughters, I understand a woman has a sixth sense also to understand this. So that is a blessing.
We have
Yeah.
the vibes, you know.
Yeah.
So if someone is sitting, and if I'm getting the comfortable vibes with her, but not with her, so we have that vibes.
True that. True that. Yeah. Shalaka?
I was designing one spa, and one day evening 6:37 my client had called and said, I want you to be here on the site right now within half an hour's time. It was raining badly that day. I asked my husband to accompany with me. It was a minor discussion, but then and there that day only I said, this is the last day I am coming on the site. I am not going to work with you. Although 80% work was done, only the painting part and few things were remaining. I left that site without any payment. I said, I don't want to work with you.
Well, this is very sad, and this
after
is.
that, I decided, I was thinking like कि क्या tendencies होते हैं clients के. So I started learning with handwriting analysis. Nowadays, I look at the sign and then I decide whether to work with him or not.
Wow, what an approach! Yeah, it's a very unique, unconventional approach. But then she lost her payment, where 80% of the site was ready for such a, and it's
Yeah, because
very
my
sad.
dignity was first for
Of course, of course.
me.
Absolutely.
Beyond that, I mean, we cannot compromise with our dignity.
Absolutely, but such a thing happening itself, the opposite gender should be. We guys should be ashamed of this thing happening. And but great, this Me Too movement is now changing a lot of. My daughter also keeps telling me, and so Yogita.
एक्चुअली एक प्रोजेक्ट पे मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ था कि हम लोगों का पूरा कंप्लीट काम हो चुका था, लास्ट का कुछ फ्रेम्स वगैरह लगाने का काम चालू था, और उस टाइम पे पेमेंट टर्म्स कंडीशंस पहले क्लियर नहीं हुए थे, तो ऑलमोस्ट 60 to 70% पेमेंट क्लाइंट के पास ही था. तो जब गौरव फ़ोन करता था तो फ़ोन नहीं उठा था, मैं फ़ोन करूँ तो इमीडिएटली फ़ोन उठा के जो भी आंसर है वो कर देता था. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, पेमेंट का मैं देख लेती हूँ, एटलीस्ट मुझे आंसर तो कर रहे कॉल. तो साइट पे जाने के बाद मैंने बोला सर पेमेंट का जो भी है वो करवा दो, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट 98% काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है. 4 फ्रेम के लिए अगर 60 और 70% पेमेंट बाकी रखे तो जो गलत है. तो सॉरी मैडम, मैं लेडीज़ लोगों से बात नहीं करता हूँ, जो गलत हो गया. एंड जब तक कंप्लीट काम हो रहा था तब तक आप मेरे से बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन एंड में जब आता है तो लेटरली ऐसे कि मैं लेडीज़ लोगों से बात नहीं करता हूँ, ये गलत हो गया था. तो मैंने गौरव को उसी दिन बोल दिया कि फर्स्ट क्लाइंट को अगर लेडीज़ का रिस्पेक्ट रहेगा तो ही वो प्रोजेक्ट ले लेगा, वरना वो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं भी लिया तो भी चलेगा, बट लेडीज़ का रिस्पेक्ट होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah, true. Such a person doesn't deserve being treated,
एंड यस, लेट नाइट जब क्लाइंट बुलाता है तो डेफिनेटली स्ट्रिक्टली ना बोलना चाहिए, स्ट्रिक्टली ना बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं, जो भी है अगर वो अभी नहीं करेंगी तो ये प्रोफेशन ऐसा नहीं है डॉक्टर के जैसा कि नहीं करेंगे तो वो कोई जान जाने वाली या ऐसे कुछ होने वाला है नहीं है. ठीक है, कल सुबह 10 बजे तक तो 8 बजे आके मिल लेते हैं, पर
Perfect,
शाम को
perfect.
5-6 बजे के बाद स्ट्रिक्टली नहीं जाना चाहिए.
very well said. Very well said. Renu?
Sir, I think along with client's nature, if he's unprofessional, then I believe I will quit the work. Whether it is my dream project, कितना भी हो, मेरा एकदम that must be my dream project, या मुझे उससे losses हो रहे, still I will believe कि I'll quit the that site.
You're firm on that.
Yeah.
Rashmi?
For me, I won't quit it because I'll pass it on to my husband, who will take care of it very well. That is, अगर मुझे ऐसा कोई experience आया, but before my marriage, when I was working with someone, I had a very bad experience like that. I was working with someone, I don't remember, but there was one colleague with me, and उसके मामा का साड़ी का शॉप बनाना था. It was an exclusive पैठनी shop at that time. Only पैठनी का शॉप बनाना था. It was a dream project for me कि अरे first ही client मिल रहा है इतने बड़े, and he was also a big client. He was working for Tolani Shippings, so he was a very renowned person. But I had a very bad experience in the first meeting. So I strictly said कि I don't want to work with you. I don't want to do only that sari shop. But that happens.
True, absolutely. Jagruti?
काम काम होता है ऐसे हम बोलते हैं, लेकिन एज आई एम वेरी प्रोफेशनल एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर. अगर फर्स्ट मीटिंग में वो जो बोलते हैं कि निगेटिव वाइब्स वो समझ में आता है, तो इफ़ आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल एंड वो पता चल रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पे बेस्ट नहीं देने वाली, कि इट डजेंट मैटर मनी और ये अगर थॉट्स ही नहीं है जमने वाले, तो आई रिफ्यूज द प्रोजेक्ट. आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल.
So viewers, you saw the different views. Of course, nothing is about dignity, absolutely. But sometimes the comfort level with the client may not be of a particular gender nature or a pervert nature. Sometimes there will be many other things. People come across as crooks. They come across, they don't give good vibes. So this is what the ladies had to say about this particular issue. So thank you so much for being so candid on such an important issue. Yes, Rashmi?
It's not only that this bad experience, but mostly if the client is from a village kind of a person, he normally never believes on female designers. Sir नहीं आएंगे, वो तो होता ही है. So I have to be.
I have another experience. The person from down, मैम हमारी गाड़ी आएगी आपको लेने, आपको आना है, आपको हर बार गाड़ी आएगी, आपको खाली विजिट करनी है. बट भाई मेरे को नहीं करनी विजिट, मेरे पास गाड़ी है, ड्राइवर है.
I'm not talking about the bad intentions. I'm just saying that कि still today people don't believe that female can do a better job. Some people are there.
You feel especially in the rural areas where they grow up in a very male dominated patriarchal.
I won't say rural. Yeah, not only that, but where people are like that. Their mentality.
This is another sad approach. Sad facts existing.
So they don't know what they are losing on. So
True,
it's okay.
true.
It doesn't make.
Well said. Rashmi, coming to you again. What makes you grumpy at work? What angers you? What irritates you at work?
Normally, I'm quite shant kind of a person, but if the client is interfering very much into design part of it, then it makes it really makes you it disturbs you, like, because we are doing that only for which he is paying us. See.
So you get angry when the client interferes too much in your this thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And nowadays there is one more reason to get angry, that they get that Pinterest, and we want to do this. We want. Yeah. And one more thing. I'm not against Vastu. I'm a Vastu Shastra consultant myself. But some people come with some solutions कि we want, हमारे वास्तु शास्त्र एक्सपर्ट ने बताया है कि we want blue on the flooring, green on the floor walls, and yellow on this wall, horse on that wall. So where are we? If everything is designed by him, let the job, they only do it. क्योंकि ये पूरा करने के बाद green, yellow, how the job is going to look? Like that also irritates a lot.
Yeah. So the major irritation comes when the clients don't agree with your work. Like they keep interfering. Secondly, the Vastu, though you believe in Vastu, but you feel sometimes it's illogical because Vastu has people interpret it differently. So sometimes it's illogical
Vastu is
according
a science,
to you.
actually.
Correct.
You should take it as a science only.
Well spoken. Shraddha?
Basically, if things, I'm a little punctual kind. So if my friends know. So if things doesn't happen in time, on time, I get little more irritated. I don't show it, but then I keep it to myself, but others get the feel of it. Yeah, that's
a good reason to get angry, being punctual, and if
I would
others
like
are not
to add,
punctual. Yeah.
I don't keep quiet in that sense because lots of clients normally they don't follow the time schedule. I just leave the site at that moment. We'll
not
wait
just
only.
clients, it's agencies
Even the
also.
agencies.
Yeah.
No, even the
Because-
agencies.
So you make it clear about your punctuality, and
Yeah.
then if it's not
Timelines.
followed, you get irritated.
Irritated.
Okay. Lena?
I would agree with Rashmi in this, that sometimes those clients keep on interfering in your own kind of design. Initially, they are, very confirmed kinds that they want something else from you and all, and they are paying a handsome amount to you for the same thing. And after some days maybe कोई चाचा आ जाता है, some दोस्त comes over, उसके यहाँ मैंने ये देखा था, I went to Bombay, इसका ये घर देखा, या anything, and they change their minds overnight like anything, and they come up with some new ideas or anything. And basically we are working on something firm concept or thematic thing, anything, and they suddenly make you change your own viewpoints or concepts and all. So again, that thought definitely comes, that why are you hiring me for, I don't understand. And that social media things are adding to it. And
What social media things are adding?
those Pinterest and Ready renders are available globally. Everyone can access definitely. And again, one more part is there, that timelines, sometimes the things which are not in your control, like some material has to be come from some vendor and kuch atak gaya, kuch ho gaya, then you have to bear with it, and you have to also do a little counseling to the client as well. आपका काम बढ़ जाता है. So yeah, that
irritates you.
irritates, yeah.
Renu?
सेम थिंग एज शी सेड कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है क्लाइंट आपको भगाता है इसके घर पे चलो उसका सीलिंग देखो इसके घर पे चलो इसका फर्नीचर देखो दैट इज द वर्स्ट थिंग आई फील
Irritates you the
to add
most.
one
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, Lena?
Sometimes they also do this funny thing, like if I'm particularly I'm doing this residency, and कभी कभी दोस्तों ने एक साथ आमने सामने खरीदी किया हुआ रहता है, या some cousins are there and all, and literally this has happened with me, that मेरा यहाँ पे बन रहा है रेसिडेंस प्रोजेक्ट बन रहा है, and सामने वाले के कारपेंटर्स, सीलिंग पर्सन, एवरीवन इज कमिंग विथ लिटरली टेप्स एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग, एंड दे आर मेजरिंग एवरीथिंग, दे आर सीइंग एवरीथिंग, एंड सेम टू सेम वहाँ मिरर इमेज कॉपी हो रहा है. सो दिस इज सो इरिटेटिंग कि व्हाई माय डिजाइन इज गेटिंग
And particularly that client, Samne, he also
he's
wants.
paying me, and he's allowing whoever he was, friend, cousin, say, allowing literally same to same. Today also you can go and see right from the entrance door, the jali design, the entrance light, anything. This is weird.
Yeah, this plagiarism-
irritates a lot.
True. Plagiarism is a big problem in almost all professions, and
साइट पे जब क्लाइंट कुछ जो हम सब फाइनल करते हैं पेपर पे फाइनल करते हैं डिस्कशन में फाइनल होता है व्यूज़ होते हैं रेंडरिंग्स होते हैं ये सब होने के बाद अगर साइट पे जस्ट ढांचा बन रहा है और उसमें भी उसमें ही उनको नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है दैट इरिटेट्स मी अ लॉट क्योंकि आप अब ट्रस्ट करो अगर आप किसी के पास देते हो काम देते हो ट्रस्ट करके देते हो डिज़ाइनर अपॉइंट किया है आपने आप उनको पे करने वाले सो जस्ट ट्रस्ट देम एंड देन डिसाइड कि क्या हो रहा है देखो आगे जाके फाइनल लुक देखो क्योंकि अपना ये नॉर्मल फर्स्ट इसमें नहीं आता है जब तक 90% वर्क नहीं होता लास्ट के जो 10% में काम रहता है कर्टन्स वॉलपेपर्स फ्रेम्स उसमें वो सब फाइनल लुक आता है उसके पहले जब ये चालू हो जाता है सो मुझे वो बहुत इरिटेट करता है एजेंसीज का छोड़ो वो उतने टाइम के लिए होता है बट ये मेरे माइंड में हर बार वही घूमता रहता है कि यार इतना एफर्ट्स लिया इतना जान डालते हैं हम उसमें काम करने के लिए और ये ऐसे डायरेक्टली बोल देते हैं नहीं सो उसका कुछ रहता ही नहीं वैल्यू ही नहीं रहता ये सब चीज़ का सो आई थॉट दैट इरिटेट्स मी अ लॉट
well said. Yeah, Sanam.
I agree with Rashmi totally. And one more thing which irritates me is when it comes to the payment. They will always tell कि ना हमें best चीजें चाहिए एंड हमको फास्ट चाहिए. फास्ट तभी होता है व्हेन यू गिव द पेमेंट. सो द हस्बैंड विल से कि अभी रुक जाओ काम, हमारे पास पेमेंट नहीं है, एंड द वाइफ विल कीप ऑन शाउटिंग, आप ये नहीं किया, आप वो नहीं किया, एंड शी विल कीप मी कॉल, ये बाकी वो बाकी, बट एक महीने से आपका साइट बंद है बिकॉज द पेमेंट इज नॉट डन. So I think that is so irritating when you know you're going to do your house. The estimate पहले ही आपको estimate दिया है कि इतना खर्चा होने वाला है. Either be prepared for it or tell us that हमें अभी टाइम चाहिए. Because बीच में जब वो काम रुकता है, all the tempo which you have, like the interest which you have, and again the labor goes, then you have to call them. तो ये एक बहुत irritating job है. I think rather than convincing them for the designing, that is so there, they really interfere a lot. Like nowadays I think they are more into a designer than us, because of the social media, because of the Pinterest, because of the Google, you can just type and you get 1,000 options. So that is there, but the most irritating job is when they don't do the payments. They want it very fast, but when it comes to the payment, they're opposite. So literally I have to tell the wife that please go and ask your husband when your work is going to start, because I cannot tell her your husband is not giving the payment. So I think that irritates. You cannot even speak directly to the client. You have to hide those, and बाद में जाके बोलेंगे इतने सारे काम को उन्होंने 9 महीने लगाए. अरे बाबा, but you have to tell ना कि 2 महीने आपने बंद रखे थे काम. So I think that is really very irritating.
True that. This really sounds irritating. Mugdha?
I agree with everyone, like Pinterest thing. They actually come with prints, or they send you the WhatsApp images. I want like this bedroom, I want hall should be like that and everything. And we are professions with this field, so trust us, we have the vision, and later on if we give them the 3D and everything, and this will be here, this material will be selected, and later on some clients are curious, they want to visit you with material selection, and if I'm giving brown, white and gray theme, and they are like, I like the mustard yellow, I like this, and then and everything changes, so that irritates. Everything is already finalized, and you are changing the material, you are changing the colors and everything, then it gets irritating. Like everything, the whole drawing is changing, the whole vision is changing related to that.
Absolutely. Jagruti?
Majorly, one more thing. I spent half of the day to select the laminate. And second day, client बोलता है मैंने वो गुप्ता से ले लिया. अरे मैंने आधा दिन वो सिलेक्ट करने के लिए लिया है और अब बोल रहे हो कि ले लिया. मतलब ये नहीं, आप कहीं से भी तो फिर आप पहले बोलो कि मुझे वहीं से लेना है. That irritates me. And second, workmanship. अभी दोपहर में यहाँ पे आने के लिए उधर मेरा टाइम गया. नेम प्लेट जो फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन है मेरे साइट का, वहाँ पे मैं आते ही बोल रही हूँ कि भैया इधर 2 mm का गैप है. मैडम 2 mm तो है, लेकिन हाँ वो दिख रहा है ना, तो आप करो. हमारा काम है कि वो परफेक्ट देना है, क्योंकि यही हमारे काम का फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन है. दैट इरिटेट्स मी.
Excellent. योगिता?
ऑलमोस्ट सारे पॉइंट कवर कर लिए हैं.
आप वाला बताओ, what irritates you the most?
बट मतलब सारे पॉइंट्स मुझे जो इरिटेट हो रहे वो तो सारे ऑलमोस्ट कवर हो चुके हैं. बट उसमें भी हम लोग ऑफिस में बैठ के कंप्यूटर के सामने ना गेम नहीं खेलते. हम लोग है ना डिटेलिंग करते रहते. पूरा दिन बैठ के इतना मर के डिटेलिंग करते. पहले तो खुद से झगड़ा करते कि नहीं ये ऐसे ही करना है, ये गलत है, ये सही है. उसमें से फाइट करके एक चीज़ हम लोग बाहर निकालते कि ये हम लोग को क्लाइंट के सामने प्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, उसके बाद उसके डिटेलिंग्स होते हैं. और इतना करने के बाद भी साइट पे कुछ अलग बना हुआ रहता है ना, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इरिटेट करता है कि मैंने दिया एक है, मैंने पूरा दिन डाल के ये बनाया हुआ है, ए बनाया और साइट पे बी हो चुका है. और जब साइट पे जाके अनएक्सपेक्टेडली पता चलता है कि ये बी बन चुका है जो मैंने ए दिया था, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इरिटेट करता है. और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्लाइंट की बहुत सारी एजेंसीज रहती है जिनको माइट भी ड्राइंग भी रीड करने को नहीं आता, लेकिन क्लाइंट बोलते कि नहीं इसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया मेरा काका मामा का. और फिर जब वो हाथ में ड्राइंग लेते तो उसको ड्राइंग भी रीड करने को नहीं आती. जब वो ड्राइंग नहीं रीड कर सकता है तो क्या ड्राइंग बनाएगा, साइट पे क्या एग्जीक्यूट.
True. Absolutely. Shalaka?
With this client's irritation, I think I have little bit come out of it now. But the only thing irritates me कि agencies जब बोलते हैं ना कि भैया निकल गया है, पहुंच रहा है, 10 मिनट में आएगा, 15 मिनट में आएगा, that irritates
So they mislead you, which is very clear to you.
If he is not coming क्लियरली बोल दो कि नहीं आने वाला है साइट पे, आज नहीं आएगा, 2 दिन नहीं आएगा, 4, बिकॉज एज पर देयर कमिटमेंट्स वी गिव कमिटमेंट्स टू आवर क्लाइंट्स, एंड उनके सामने हम लोग फिर झूठे पड़ जाते हैं. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच इरिटेट्स मी.
Okay. Now, you all mentioned what angers you, what irritates you. There must be hundreds of other things which irritates us. We are humans, at work, at home, everywhere. But work pressure is there, deadlines are there. Plus your responsibilities, the family responsibilities, as all other roles, as a mother, as a daughter-in-law, as a wife, all that also kicks in. So I would like to know how you all find your peace of mind, how you manage your anger. We spoke about what makes you angry the most, but how you manage your anger. So Shalaka, will start from you. How do you manage your anger?
I have overcome. I do meditation. I get up in the morning around 3:30, 4 o'clock, and I sit for meditation, and that helps me a lot. And I do a lot of riding, bike riding, which gives me, I mean, that is my me time, and that gives me a.
Okay. So meditation and following your passion of bike riding
Right.
gives you an outlet to your anger, and it cools you. Okay. Jyoti?
I just come home, take my tea, switch off my mobile, and wear my shoes and go for a jog. 5 kilometers, 7 kilometers, 10 kilometers. I go jogging, listening music, and that's I am cool down.
So the more the anger, the more distance you jog.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Mugdha?
और दूसरे चीज़ होती है, अगर मैं जॉग के लिए नहीं जा पा रही हूँ, लेट आ रही हूँ वगैरह, तो हस्बैंड को सब कुछ जो हुआ है बड़बड़ करके उनको सब थोप देने का उनके ऊपर, देन आई विल गेट रिलैक्स.
So he's your sounding board if you're
Yes,
angry.
yes.
Okay. Mugdha?
I share my anger related to anything with my mom first, and then I took my playlist. I take my chords or anything, and I just go for a walk for 1 hour, 2 hours. Just music soothes you. You know, it's like it calms your mind and everything. So I just turn on my music, my playlist, and walk for 1 and 2 hours as much as you can. Just जब तक आपका दिमाग ठंडा नहीं होता तब तक गाना सुनते जाओ, बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं.
So biking, meditation, jogging, or using your husband as a sounding board, expressing to your mother everything, music, listening to music, walking. So these are the, yeah. Yogita, how do you handle your anger?
एक्चुअली हम लोग इतने अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में है ना कि जिसके लिए हम लोगों को अगर हम लोग खुद पे कंट्रोल नहीं करेंगे ना तो हम लोगों को कुछ तकलीफें चालू हो जाएंगी, या किसी ना किसी से हम लोग गलत कर चुके हैं. तो ऑलमोस्ट मैं खुद का माइंड इतना कूल रखती हूँ कि ठीक है, जो हो रहा है वो होने ही वाला है. मैं गुस्सा भी दिखाऊँ तो भी वो चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. बेटर है कि जो उसको करना है करने दो, थोड़ी देर अपन शांत रहो. जब सामने वाला नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तब उसको समझाना पड़ेगा कि बाबा ये ऐसा नहीं ऐसा है. पर उसी टाइम पे अगर हम लोग करेंगे, मैं मेरा भी गुस्सा उसी टाइम पे इमीडिएटली दिखाऊँ, तो उसमें से कुछ तो क्लैश होने वाला है. बेटर है अभी शांत रहो, बाद में उनको समझा दो.
Okay, so you don't react. That's your way of controlling her. You don't react. You let it pass, and when the intensity is less, then you make a point to tell that person that you are angry, and this is the reason. So you reason it out. You need a lot of self-control for that.
Yes.
And doing this also, if you do it properly, great. Otherwise, again, the anger stays inside you, and it may. So you manage to get it out.
यस.
Okay, to the person who is responsible for your anger.
वरना किसी की गलत चीज के लिए वो पनिशमेंट मैं खुद को क्यों दूं?
True.
बेटर है कि मैं अभी शांत रहूं.
Lena?
I get less angry often. I'm a chill kind of person. But yeah, definitely, sometimes you do get angry. And again, like how she said, keeping quiet at that moment, I just walk off the situation. And सामने वाले को पता चल जाता है कि चलो खत्म है यहाँ पर. So, and lately, I have started that practice which you call unsent letters thing. It is helping me a lot. Like just writing anything which is there inside you, and tear it off.
That gives you a let off.
Yes, and singing part is always there to calm me down. And so every day I do take out some 10-15 minutes to sing. And I'm not a morning person. I am always awake till late hours, 2:30 a.m. So those silent hours are, those healing hours.
So you're refreshed for the next day.
Yes.
Okay.
Everybody.
Shraddha?
I would add in like everybody, every individual or professional, unprofessional, any field, they should have 1 hour for themselves. That automatically reflects your next day. If you have your me time, you're satisfied with yourself. Otherwise, it adds on and it reflects in everything you do with your child, with your mom-in-law, with your husband, or agencies, clients, anywhere. You fall out and it reflects. So when you are satisfied with yourself, the anger automatically disappears. और एक ऐसा है कि अपने खुद को भी जज करना सीखो. And you have to see what went wrong with yourself, or is it wrong with others? Is it going to get repaired? If it is unrepairable, just leave it and just.
So this trait developed over the years, or you were always like this?
No. It has got developed. It has
Because
got
it's quite
developed.
saintly,
Because
reaching this stage is.
it comes with years, with experiences, with relations. First, you are just a child to a pampered child to a father or things. Then you get married, that you get into a profession where you are answerable to everything. And then you have to think how much you're going to do. Everywhere you can't satisfy everyone at the same time. So you have to have your me time, definitely. Then it reflects.
Very well
Automatically,
spoken.
positively, it reflects the next day.
Very well spoken, Shraddha. Jagruti?
Yeah. Actually, I found angry is not the solution everywhere. कॉलेज के टाइम में मैं थोड़ा बहुत थी, तो लेकिन बाद में मैंने सेल्फ लव, रीडिंग बुक्स, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बुक्स पढ़े हैं. अभी जैसे मेरा फील्ड है, फ्रॉम माय 12 years एक्सपीरियंस, मैंने बहुत खुद पे ये किया है, मतलब वर्क किया है कि जैसे कि साइट पे भी विथ क्लाइंट, विथ एजेंसी, ऐसे बहुत चीज़ें होती कि ये क्या ऐसे. लेकिन मैंने हमेशा ये देखा है कि सेकंड डे प्रॉब्लम इज डिसॉल्व ऑलरेडी, कि अलग उसको सोल्यूशन है, तो एंग्री इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन. सो अगर आप खुद पे कंट्रोल करते हो तो ऑटोमेटिक वो टाइम पे भी कंट्रोल हो जाता है, वो प्रॉब्लम पे भी कंट्रोल हो जाता है. दैट
Okay. Plus, you feel वक्त
वक्त आपको सिखा देता है. That's the
So
main
as time passes, that issue also
issue
becomes
also
diluted.
becomes diluted.
Okay.
Yes,
So let
that
it
I
pass
found.
and control your
Control
anger.
anger.
Okay. Rashmi?
I think everybody किसी ना किसी आर्ट में, other than our profession, whichever is the profession, you have to involve yourself. You have to learn something else also, which will help you, giving you this me time. I do gardening, I do landscaping, I do watercolors. So it goes on changing. Like every day I can't do gardening, but whenever it depends on my mood also, okay, how much angry I am, it depends on that. But this is how I give time to myself, and I normally give it, and you should give it.
Excellent. Sanam?
I think Shraddha has mentioned it really well. As the year passes, before I used to get angry and I used to get that anger at home. Now I just get angry to show people, but that actually comes when you do a lot of meditation, give your own time. So I think I am doing meditation past 12 years, and for me the best thing is just go take a drive the car from office to home. That's my me time, and play the music. I think everything get dissolved because at that time I talk to myself. I introspect what happened, what could be the best solution. And whenever I get angry and react, I feel I shouldn't be reacting at that time. So I think with my experience, I've learned that reacting at that time, even if you're wrong or you're not wrong, you should keep quiet. Because as the time passes, uska effect jo hai, it becomes less. So I think
Excellent.
then you
So
can do
12 years of meditation and the holistic approach towards this issue has helped you. Just on a lighter note, when you're angry and you're driving, isn't it unsafe for the people walking on the road?
I don't do that.
Just joke.
Because I first play the music and then I sit in my car.
I feel spontaneously reaction. You should not give. If you're anger, you should keep quiet for some time.
So how do you do it?
I like I like cooking, so many times I like make some favorite dishes or whatever my family love. So I get involved in that and listening music.
That gives, it heals your anger.
Yeah, right.
But then cooking, the as per the anger, the dishes come out.
Yeah. It comes out very well.
Okay. Thank you so much for being so candid, everyone. Next question. I'll ask Shraddha. When you need to sit for designing, you would need to convert a client's brief into design, a new brief, new project, or conceptualizing a new project, but there is a quarrel, there is a squabble at home, or there is some irritating incident. How do you cope with it there and then? Like we spoke about having me time or managing, but like
You
at
mean
such
to say if
your mindset is not there for designing because of some irritation at work, or at an irritating incident, or a quarrel at home, or at wherever. So you need to be in a happy mindset to design something new. So how do you cope with in such a situation?
I think we should give some time or find out some time or convince the client आज नहीं हो पाएगा, कल पक्का हो जाएगा and better हो जाएगा.
So you believe that as a fundamental, you should not design when you're not in the mindset.
You shouldn't force yourself because it's a creative field. It's not कि आज मुझे A बनाना है तो A बन जाएगा. It's not a machine. It's something that comes out of your mind.
True.
From your heart, maybe. It's a creative field, so it need not be the same day. You need to convince.
Right. Leena?
डेफिनेटली इट्स कविता के जैसा ही है डिज़ाइन. आई फील आपको ऐसे बैठ के चलो मैं कविता लिखूंगा तो नहीं होगा. ऑफ कोर्स दैट हैज़ टू कम फ्रॉम विद इन, बट इफ एट ऑल इट्स नीडफुल टू यू टू डिज़ाइन एंड ऐसा कुछ है कि डेडलाइन है या you actually also want to work over that, but the situation is something different, you might tried some other options. Like what I do is I prefer sketching at such particular thing, and terrace पे जाके कुछ sketches कर लेना. You don't know whether it will work for your design or not, but at least it will start with something. If at all you really want to work on some project and it is needful, and putting headphones on is the I feel is the best part of life. So I most of the times when I'm working I put headphones on and listening to some favorite music and doing design. It works for me, but not.
That's nice. Shalaka?
I think I give some time for, again, it's like a me time. I sit for some time, Shanti se, then I start designing on it. Because if you have a deadline to give, you have to work. You cannot give excuses every day to the client.
My next question is to Renu. Renu, do you like this is about dressing for work as a designer? So about your look, your clothes, your hair, your shoes, your accessories, your bag. So do you particularly dress as a designer for say a site visit or for a client meeting or at the office in office wear, or it doesn't really matter?
No, as an interior designer, I will preferably dress myself as a designer only. But I will make sure I will wear those clothes which I am comfortable with. Then it is whether like if you go on site हो या office जाना हो, but I'll make sure I'll wear those clothes जहाँ मैं comfortable हूँ, because I have to whole day work, go on sites, पूरा दिन खड़ा रहना पड़ता है. We are maximum time we are standing, so I will be like choosing those types of clothes where I'm comfortable.
Okay, that is convenience. But do you consciously tell yourself that you should look like a designer and a designer is supposed to look like this?
No,
So
not like that, but still you have that, if you have that like you have things in mind, you are in I don't keep on poking myself I am an interior designer, so I have to wear this type of accessories, I have to like dress up myself, matching nail pins lagani hai. No, not at all, but I will make sure I'll wear those such type of clothes where I'm more comfortable with.
Sanam, the same question to you. Do you particularly dress up for separately for a client meeting, or there's a site visit, or a mix of everything, or at office wear, your look, your accessories, your clothes, everything.
For me, I can say I should be a fashion designer. People around me also keep on telling me I really like to dress up. It's not about today. Even if you'll see me at home, I'll be in good type of pajamas, and this is how I am. And I think that brings me a lot of confidence. Like if I'm telling someone, if I'm taking my client to buy some furniture, or if we go to Italy, if we go to China, they actually are in my control because they see us. They know that she's very particular when it comes to, especially when it comes to your accessories, when it comes to your wallpaper and, curtains. So I think that should not actually be constantly, but I think little bit of efforts should be done because you are a designer and we are blessed you can wear anything because you're a designer. Designers are not like you are just going to some office, software engineer ke office mein jaake wo formal hi pehno, compulsory shirt hi pehno. So I think, yeah, I'm lucky. I think maybe that's the reason I have chosen this field also. But if you see me anytime, I'll think I like up dressing. So I'll be always, daily will be thinking what to wear.
Okay. Jagruti?
As a designer, if I thinking कि my work also every time stand up कि डिजाइनिंग में मेरा जो है कि एस्थेटिक इज अ मेन पर्पस. सो एज अ डिजाइनर मैं बोलती हूँ कि नॉट टू मच बट एटलीस्ट प्रेजेंटेबल, क्योंकि क्लाइंट आपको वॉच करता है जब भी आप जाते हो, तो वो भी कि अरे मैडम आपके टॉप्स अच्छे रहते हैं, या कि उनको एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है हमें देख के कि हाँ मैडम अच्छा करने वाली है अपना घर.
So if she can groom herself so well, she looks herself good, so that means she has a sense of aesthetics. So okay, Jyoti, the same question.
I believe first impression. So whenever I went to, I have a client visit, so I properly dressed up, very formally and properly dressed up. So उससे अपने को मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आता है बात करने में, कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने में या दिखाने समझाने में मेरे पॉइंट्स. Whenever I was on sites, I was in the very casual t-shirts and jeans, very comfortable for me.
The next question to Yogita, is there any particular project which you are yearning for कि ये टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट मुझे आ जाए, which you have not done before, so you have that अंदर से कि this kind of project should come?
एज सच ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जो भी नया प्रोजेक्ट रहता है वो मेरे लिए चैलेंजिंग होता है.
Okay, Rashmi, any particular style of a project or a genre of a project which you not done before and you are eager कि I would love to do this project?
Yeah, I would love to design an eco-friendly house, completely 100% eco-friendly house that is also for a farmer. And whatever is there in my mind, eco-friendly or rural, with science and with our aesthetics, everything together. But that is my dream project. I would love to.
Lovely. I wish you that you get that such a project very soon. Mugdha.
I would like to design a lakeside bungalow. There should be a view, there should be a nature. You are watching a hill area and there is open space around the bungalows, and the openings are so big that you can see the whole view complete till the end, where you can see the horizon.
Wow, we would all love to see that project of yours happening. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. You all were so candid, so generous in your thoughts, so forthcoming, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for this evening, for being on ANA Digest Mighty Minds. Thank you. Good night.
Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.